I'm going to show you how to make your slime jiggly and not hard. So first you'll be needing is your slime, water in a bowl, and like some perfume. I know you guys can't see my face right now, but I'm right here. And I'm just going to be showing you how to make the slime jiggly. So yeah. I'm just going to put you somewhere so you guys can see my face. Okay, there. Okay, so yeah, let's get started. So first you want to take your bowl of water and put your hard slime or not jiggly slime in there. And if it has foam beads, it will take the foam beads out. Mine has foam beads. So yeah, just put it in there. Yeah. So you want to leave it in there like for 5 minutes or something. And it'll turn out like slime, kind of. Like, it'll turn out like a jiggly slime. I did it to my other slime that was hard, and I'm just gonna show you how it turned out. It turned out like this jiggly slime. It was really cool. I'm just gonna show you guys. Oh my god, I'm so tired. Oh my god. No, my slime is falling. Okay. It's very jiggly. So yeah. And it's a little bit sticky. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some perfume in there to make it more jiggly or something. I'm just gonna leave it in there for a little bit. That's the slime, guys. I'm so sorry. Well, no one knows I'm playing with slime. Priscilla, can you charge it? Okay, no I didn't. Sorry guys. There's just like hairs in my slime. So you want to keep your slime in here like for like 5 minutes or something. Okay, whoa. So I'm just gonna keep my slime in here a little while. This is really turning out so good. Turning out really soft. I'm just gonna leave this slime in there for like a little bit and play with my other slime. My blue slime. Oh, there it is. My jiggly blue slime. Oh my god, it's so sticky too. It sticks to here. is like super jiggly. I'm sorry if I'm saying jiggly a lot.
Don't you keep a gymnastics doll?
No. Okay, so yeah, guys. I have like slime all over my legs, and my mom's gonna be so mad at me. Okay, so after it's been in the water for like a little bit, just knead it in well. You can have some foaming hand soap. I don't know where mine is. It is in the bathroom, but I don't know. I just don't want to get it right now. So I'm just gonna put this in here. Actually, the foaming hand soap does make it jiggly, so I'm just gonna get it. Okay guys, so I am back with the foaming hand soap. I'm just gonna put some in here to make it soft, stretchy. Okay, so it's turning out really good. Turning really jiggly, but I'm just gonna keep it in the water for a little bit. That's a weird sound. Then after that, you want to leave it in the container for about 10 minutes or like 1 hour. I'll see you guys in 1 hour. Okay guys, so I am back. I am back with my slime. It is stretchy now. It is soft. And if it turns out like still ripping, that means you need to add some more lotion. Some lotion. I'm just gonna add a little pump of lotion. Okay guys, so I have the thumbnail app for like YouTube thumbnail, and I'm comment down below. I do not know how to do it. My friend told me about it, but I don't remember because that was a long time ago. And please comment down below how to do the thumbnail. So yeah guys, I need to know how to do a thumbnail. So thank you guys for watching my video. Subscribe. Bye.